Welcome to the PFO channel. I'm Jim. You may have seen my previous videos where I bought a portable sawmill at an online auction. I managed to get it home just fine and get it out of the crate, but I've got a bit of a problem. Let's go have a look. Here it sits, still on the trailer. This is the gasoline engine and bandsaw power head, and it's way too heavy for me to manipulate on my own. But I found the perfect thing on Facebook Marketplace that's going to help me in that whole process. It's a used gantry crane. I believe it's the one sold at Harbor Freight, but the guy has put a bigger, wider I-beam across on the top, so it should be wide enough to actually straddle my landscape trailer, which will be perfect for unloading stuff like this. Unfortunately, I won't have that until after I have offloaded this heavy item old school. So get some straps out, I'll put some cardboard down so that it'll slide easier, and I'll go get my newest tool for the shop. But just a little bit.
Okay. You think I'll be able to stop it from going down?
I hope so. Okay.
Go slowly?
Yep. Nice trolley.
Did that come with it?
Yeah. That's a 2-ton trolley.
Does that come with it at Harbor Freight?
No, it doesn't. That's an extra. A 2-ton is probably another close to $100, and the chain fall is a 2-ton chain fall. The gentleman I bought this from had removed the standard Harbor Freight beam from the top, and he put on his own beam that is a wider and a taller flange, and it's longer as well. Here, if I can hold that. Yeah, that's 8 foot 11 1/4 inches, and my trailer fender to fender is 95 inches. The standard beam from Harbor Freight would have put that at 94, so I would have been an inch too narrow to be able to straddle my trailer to unload something. And it can clear my 10-foot door and take advantage of my 12-foot ceilings. I think the max height of this is 12 foot. And I love the fact that this is on wheels so that I can move it around the shop. But I got this thing with the original cross beam and the heavier duty cross beam and the trolley and the chain fall for $650. In my book, that is a spectacular deal. But now I have an extra beam that I will certainly be able to put to use over the sawmill to help me move logs from the bunk next to the sawmill bed up onto the sawmill bed and gently lay them down. Obvious immediate need is to pick up this sawmill head and begin that assembly process. Glad to find this. Glad to give it a new home. Be sure to subscribe. You wouldn't want to miss all the fun. Thanks a lot for watching. PFO channel out.